Alrighty, we have a 2017 Mercedes GLS 450, and a few people asked me to post a video on how I installed the illuminated star. Yeah, a lot of people get intimidated because the dealers, they'll tell you it's going to be upwards of $400 plus, 3 hours of mechanic time, and it's just simply not true. I'll tell you, there's no cutting, no drilling. It's very simple. It took about 20 minutes. Here's the part numbers you need. This is the part number for the star. And here's the, you have to get the wiring harness. It makes it so much simpler. And that's the correct part number for the wiring harness. And it's really well made. It comes with everything you need. A fuse holster, the wires, everything. And here's the parts, the tools you're gonna need. 2 or 3 tie wraps, make them black so they match everything else. A 10mm socket to put the ground wire, a scalpel, and I'll show you why in a minute, and a pair of dikes, and then a little thing to pull the wire through into the fuse box. So what I did, it comes out really easy. You just turn it and it comes right out. So I'm a little worried that kids would steal it, but so I ran the wire, did a really clean install, ran it all the way down through there, over there, through, and then with the 10mm, you put the ground wire here, tighten it up really good. This rubber cap pops off, 10mm bolt, take it off, and these things, they tie into each other. And then I ran the positive. I took a surgeon's scalpel and just cut a small slit through where the main cable comes in. Very small slit on the rubber gasket. Don't get anywhere near the cable, obviously. And then I ran the positive through. It comes in, and then that's the slot. I think that's why the dealers charge so much. They think if they keep that a secret and keep everyone intimidated, that they won't even attempt it. But again, the wiring kit comes with the holster, the red thing, and it slides right in there. The wire goes right into the rear. You put your 5 amp fuse and you're done. And then this will come on when you walk up to your car, when you touch the door handle, while the engine is running, it'll be on. Again, I did that. This will go back in straight. But yeah, I'll get that in a minute. But that's it.